Hey everyone, are you worried that your phone is not working or not in a working condition or it is repaired? Do not worry. So now you can fix all your phone problems with the greatest solution, that is Fixma. But wait, what is Fixma? Fixma is an application where they'll help you out in your phone if it is repaired or if it is damaged or any kind of problem from your phone. They'll help you out to fix it out and get your phone to the right stage. But among many options, why should I choose Fixma? The very first thing is I have doorstep pickup and doorstep delivery. So your repaired phone will be picked up from your address, and also once it's repaired, they'll be delivering to your doorstep. Isn't it amazing? And the next thing is you have a very budget friendly quotation, and also you will have instant quotation provided. And you will be getting tracking system where you can track what's happening in your phone and what is getting repaired, so you will have a hold of it. And next thing is you will be getting 3 to 6 months of warranty. Isn't it amazing? Because they'll be using an original and premium products while you're getting repaired. So then why should I wait to get it fixed from Fixma? So to know more about them, now you can visit their website, that is fixma.in. And now any problem with your phone, do not worry, because we can fix them on Fixma. Make your life easier.